The virtual project book includes 5 key sections. At the top of the dashboard, we have 2 rows of criteria that can be used to query specific projects from a database of over 2,100 projects. There are a couple that I want to go into. One is the project activities. This includes a very detailed breakdown of over 100 different activities that may be present on a project. These activities can be searched individually or in combination. Additionally, the dashboard supports searching by keyword, and we could just enter in any criteria in the keyword search and hit enter to find all projects that pertain to that keyword. The map on the left is showing a global map of California that can be zoomed in as needed, but it's showing the results of your project query. And in this case, it's showing all 2,173 projects. In the middle, we have details about a particular project, and as we highlight one project in the left map, the details in the center will change. The map on the far right is a project scale map, so it's detailed for one specific project. At the bottom is a listing of all the projects that result from the query criteria that was established at the top. Okay, I want to walk through one quick example. In this case, I'm going to use the keyword search field, and I want to find every project that involves something pertaining to a bike. So I'm going to put the word bike in the keyword search, hit enter, and when I do that, the map in the lower left will return all of the projects that have something to do with a bike. I'm going to go select a particular project up here in the northern part of California. And when I select that project, the details for that project will appear in the center window. In this case, the project is on Highway 101 in Del Norte County. The description is to replace a bridge over the Smith River. And you can see that in the far right is a project detail map, so it's much closer. So the one on the left shows you where you are in the state. The one on the right shows the project vicinity. We can jump out to Google Maps from here, and we will get a map image in Google. We can then shift to satellite image if we choose to do that. And then we can see the surrounding areas with its imagery. We can also switch to street view if we want to get a close look at the highway itself. And once in here, just like any other street view, we're now in Google at this particular bridge, so we could see what this bridge looks like. In addition, some of the projects have links to more detailed project pages. There's a link here. It says go to project details. We click on this page, and we are taken to a project web page that is hosted by our District 1 up in the northern part of California. At the bottom of this page is a listing of projects. In this case, I've selected just one project, so the listing has one. If I remove the selection and get back to all of the results that include bikes, the listing will grow to many more projects, and we have the capability to download this listing to your local machine for use. This has been a quick tour of the virtual project book dashboard. Our hope is that this dashboard improves the transparency of the shop, allowing for more stakeholder engagement and improved projects to further our asset management goals.